How to create a new WhatsApp account. As one of the most used chat applications in the world, WhatsApp is the ideal chat channel to use for your business to see higher delivery, open, and conversion rates. In order to securely engage with your customers via the WhatsApp channel, you will require an approved WhatsApp business account. As an authorized WhatsApp business solution provider, Clickatell will assist you in applying for your own WhatsApp business account and activating your business phone number via the Clickatell portal. To add a new WhatsApp account, ensure you've activated the WhatsApp channel on your Clickatell account. Navigate to the My Workspace tab and select the WhatsApp card. Click on the Create New WhatsApp Account button to open the new integration wizard. Enter the required information about your company. The information you submit will play a vital role in receiving an approval from WhatsApp. Note that WhatsApp prohibits enabling certain business models and verticals on the platform. Make sure your WhatsApp business account is compliant with the WhatsApp Commerce Policy at all times. Clicking Next submits your application to WhatsApp. To ensure quick approval from WhatsApp, please complete the important 2 steps outlined in the detailed email you will receive from Clickatell. Once completed, WhatsApp will begin the review of your application and provide feedback within 1 week. While awaiting approval, you can test your WhatsApp integration using the test profile and temporary demo number that Clickatell enables for you. To use WhatsApp as a communication channel, you will automatically make use of Clickatell's One API. There are several settings you can edit, but since this is a test profile and number, you will not be able to edit the name, number, or setup type at this point. Upon clicking Next, your test API integration is created and a unique API key is displayed. This is the authorization key you need to interface with the Clickatell platform. The API key is pre-populated in an example script which you can copy and paste. Further documentation is available via the developer's documentation website. Next, there is an optional tutorial you can follow to try out the template functionality. Click Done for Now to return to the WhatsApp management page. The WhatsApp account name you just applied for will appear under My Accounts with a status of pending. This status will change to active once WhatsApp approves your application. Once you have an active WhatsApp business account, you can set a new business profile with your display name and business phone number and apply for templates messages.